Hi everybody, it's the day after St. Patrick's Day, so top of the morning to you, Aaron Gra, and we're at Fat Beat Farm, and we are going to be brazing or sweating. So we've had to replace all our pipes with copper because the pressures of the steam are pretty intense and the temperatures, and it distorted and warped and destroyed our CPVC hot water lines. So with solar you don't want to mess around, the sun is hot, in case you didn't know. We start by fluxing. We put this hot weather paste flux, and we paint it on the inside after we have sanded. So you sand the copper where you're going to do the joint, and once it's clean, you paint the flux on it inside and out. The flux will draw the solder in. And then we're going to fit this like so. Let's see if we can fit it tighter. Trey, I'll need your help to straighten this out. This is hot inside. Okay. And I got to twist this in a little bit better. So try to push on that end, kick on that.
It's not in all the way? Is that what you're saying?
I don't think so. Maybe we need to, let's turn it this way and use gravity as our friend. What happens if we pull it out?
You should be able to twist it, right?
Should be able to, but I'm not.
Yeah.
I think it's in.
Okay.
If it's in, it's going to be in.
Down. Gotta twist it this way. Now it's straight. Okay. And where's the? Oh, we run out of this stuff.
We got more. Do we? Somewhere.
All right, this stuff goes pretty fast, but this is the.
We had more of that. You know, we lost a whole bucket of stuff. I don't know where it ended up.
A lead-free solder. So.
Just this silver.
So what you want to do is you want to put your torch on. Count 1, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3, 1,000, 4, 1,000, 5, 1,000, 6, 1,000, 7, 1,000, 8, 1,000, 9, 1,000, 10, 1,000, 10,000. Touch this, and then if it starts going in, then you can start painting around, and the flux should suck it in. You have to turn this around. Go over here. And I think that's a decent joint, but let's just check on this right here.
Need more heat? You're good.
Just get some heat there on that bubble there. That's good. As long as there aren't any bubbles in there. And I think that's, have to inspect that, turn it over this way. It's okay. Where's that torch? Turn it over again, there's a little bubble there. The other way.
This way?